You want that resort look? That instant tropical paradise? You need massive, mature palm trees, and you need them installed yesterday. At Pinky's Property Management, we don't plant seedlings and hope for the best. We bring the heavy iron to Florida. Our high-flow skid steers with massive hydraulic auger attachments bore perfect holes in seconds. Then we hoist towering royal palms, 20-30 feet tall, and drop them in with surgical precision. Perfect spacing, perfect alignment, instant curb appeal that makes your property look like it belongs on a postcard. This is what separates the amateurs from the professionals. We deliver the finished product, not a promise, not a timeline, the finished product today. Want to transform your Florida property in one afternoon? Call the heavyweights. Call Pinky's, Tampa, 813-417-8038. Sarasota, 941-981-8070. Buffalo, 716-289-0764.